I'm going to show you this load. It's a cooling or a chiller, kind of like an air conditioner or chilling unit, probably for a warehouse or whatnot. It's going to Wisconsin, 950 miles, and it's paying $3,850. This was a carrier load, so you know, they usually pay pretty decent when you get them right from your carrier. So I'm going to flip this camera around and show you the way I changed it up and everything, and the pretty much the process I used. I'm a little out of breath. It's freaking humid. It's probably like 190 fucking % humidity right now. So all right, let's split this around. A couple 200-pound crates, and we got the 17,000-pound cooling unit, 3/8 chains through the eyelets. If I remember correctly, I think these count as 2 separate hold downs. I know it's overdone, but it's a unique way. It's not touching the product either. Just to let you know, pulled it up through the eyelet so it stays about, you know, inch out. Then I put bungees on it so it doesn't move or flop around against the actual unit. This was improvising, but it works. This is the back. Same thing through the eyelet. Pulled it away underneath a spool, and then across and over, underneath another spool, up over through the eyelet, and down and around. Same thing. Keep the bungee from falling, making it fall into the unit or whatnot. So pretty much, technically, I think, if I'm right, according to the handbook, this unit has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tie down points all the way around. So that's that for now. I'm gonna try to maybe make a video for the end of this week and just tell how decent I did and how it went. So all right, well, we're gonna be getting out of here and heading out to Wisconsin here. It's probably like 3:30 on a Friday, so got plenty of time. I'll see you guys.